Imagine a phone that breaks the mold, a device that combines the best of power and elegance, all folded into a single compact form. That's the Galaxy Z Flip 5, a true testament to Samsung's innovative spirit. Its unique design and powerful performance redefine what a smartphone can be. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 turns heads with its 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. With a resolution of 2636 x 1080 pixels and a pixel density of 425 pixels per inch, it brings colors to life, making every image and video pop right off the screen. This display isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's also a tactile delight, thanks to the ultra-thin glass that protects it. This ensures durability while providing a smooth touch experience. When folded, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 features a convenient 1.1-inch Super AMOLED cover display, showing notifications, time, and other essential information at a glance. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 hides a powerhouse. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor at its heart ensures a fast and efficient performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or getting through your daily productivity tasks. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM and a generous 256 GB of internal storage, it provides ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 isn't just about performance, it's also a pro at capturing memories. Its dual-lens rear camera system, featuring a 12MP wide and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, ensures stunning shots every time. For the selfie enthusiasts and video callers, there's a 10MP front-facing camera. With features like Night Mode, Pro Mode, and 4K video recording at up to 60 fps, this device is a pocket-sized photography studio. Running on Samsung's One UI 3.1 software based on Android 11, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers an enhanced user experience. From customization options to productivity features and security enhancements, it's got it all. It even includes Samsung DeX for a desktop-like productivity experience, Samsung Pay for contactless payments, and Samsung Knox for robust security. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement piece that combines a unique design and powerful performance. With advanced camera capabilities and a plethora of features tailored to the modern smartphone user, it stands out in a sea of typical devices. Its foldable form factor makes it not just a technological marvel, but also a stylish accessory for the tech-savvy individual. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is not just a phone, it's a revolution, folded,